I'ma sit back with a blunt. Blunt. You put my hand in the cuffs. Can't touch. Walk from the back to the front. Arch and look back at the butt. I want you to strut. Turn. I want you to strut. Yeah, I want you to strut.
Bend and snap. Bitch. Okay, finish the farm track. We're gonna finish the farm track. No way! We're gonna ride that? Okay, we're riding this. Okay, that's it, we're riding this immediately. No, you gotta pedal yourself. How do we do this? You're getting on the red one? Guys, it's fucking hot, but I chose my ride. Kevin is choosing his. It's fucking Getty, guys. We have to pedal these. I should have really came in sneakers. Wait, hold up. I'm holding too many water bottles. Oh shit, you're holding a soda. Oh, look, you have a backseat. Wait, pull up. All right, there you go. All right, ready? All right, chat. 3, 2, wait, Kevin, you're too forward. I gotta go over this hill. Ugh. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Get out my way, loser. Get out my way. Whoa. I skipped his ass. Holy shit. This is bumpy. Guys, look how fucking funny I look right now. Oh shit. I can't turn. He might actually beat me. I'm fucking, guys, I'm cutting him. We're not letting him. Guys, I'm cutting. He's tired. He's behind me. I fucking won. You guys, I won. Oh my God, I won. You want to smack my ass? No, baby. Bye. I have to go. Oh, they have a bouncy house. Yes. Yo, you guys, what the fuck? I'm drowning, pass me water.
How was that jump?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
But honestly, you guys, it's so hot. We need to figure out like a strategic. Woo!
Right, smarty pants.
Alright. Wow, you guys. This really takes a toll at you. I remember I used to be here for hours as a kid, but clearly. Guys, first wild animal, we got Morty right here from Madagascar. Do you mind if I sit on you, Morty? Thank you. Is it Marty or Morty?
Marty.
Oh, Marty. How are you doing today? Swing us, bro. Swing us, dude. Woo!
Yeah, but I don't want to swing too hard.
All right, go from behind and swing me. No, get up and go from behind and swing me. Come in with me. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
How are you doing, bro?
It's just a regular day out here in the sun.
Oh, we're sunflowers, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, how's the sun out here, huh?
Bro, I don't feel like a sunflower. I feel like I'm gonna die flower. Alright, you guys. I'm here with this wild farm. Ooh, with this wild swan. Try to bite me. Okay, girl, you don't want me all up in your space. I get it. But I'm here with my girl Swanner.
We are here in Africa, and we're about to see the wild ostrich. Ostrich.
Guys, there's a fucking llama. Come here, little birdie. Alright, guys, this wild ostrich is scared of me, apparently. I instill that fear in these wild animals. I control these wild animals. I don't know, let's go to that one. This is not that friendly. Look, baby ostrich. Cutie patootie, ma goody, ma goody, ma doody, ma doody. They have alligators. Bye. Bye, ostrich. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Guys.
Okay, reporting live from the Everglades. Here we have the wild alligator. Point to the wild alligator. He seems to be stretching. But do not be putting your board down, okay? These alligators are very scary. Very scary. Look at him stretching out. Oh, so cute. He's so hot right now. Look at all those. They're coming to us. Red, black eyes. You can feed the alligators right here through this little pee hole. Look at the poop on the ground. Alligator poo. Be careful the camera doesn't fall in there, chatty. Alright guys, I'm an alligator expert, and like this alligator right over here is suffering a little bit of what we call overheat exhaustion. What the fuck just did? Look how stretched out he is, you guys. He is so... Huh? Guys, he's so stretched out, bro. Poor guy is super hot. Yo, shout out to my cam to be able to go into these little crevices.
What?
Look at my cam, it can go like in all the way.
There's so many over there.
Yeah. But these are baby.
All those days we were in the Everglades.
And we didn't see any?
We got to see one dead one.
Cause they hunt them here. Let's go see over there, guys. There's like llamas over here. You guys, look at the shiny blue ones. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at the swan. That's so cute. Guys, look at these little goats. Oh, you guys. Oh my god. That scared the frick out of me. Be careful, Kev, they bite.
I've seen how to control them.
Oh yeah? How do they control them? You think we have foodie, honey? Look at those hooves. Look at those hoovers. I want them to hit the gate low-key. Guys, look at the... You're so cute. What are these guys doing over there? What are you doing over there?
Alpaca.
Oh, they have cows. Alpaca. 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 Come here, buddy. Look what I got for you. Yo, they smell like caca. This is so cute. Look at the wild alligator. Guys, we have an alligator outside of its cage. Should I hunt him? Come here. Ready? Oh, he's sneezing. Bless you. Ready, guys? I'm gonna catch this gator. Nah, I'm joking. Oh. Come here, buddy. What you want? What you want? You guys want food? Oh, you guys are smart. You guys are smarter than the carers. Than the cowies, huh? How do I touch him, Kev? Woohoo!
Try to put your hand on top of his head only. Look at this guy.
What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Kev, get them from down here. Get them from down here. Get them from down there. Oh my god. You guys are so cute. I want to touch your horn. Can I touch your horn? Let me touch your horn. Let me touch it. Let me touch your horns. Woo, I touched it, Kevin. Kevin, I touched it. Wait, I don't mean to hit it, but I just want to touch it. I just don't want to get hurt. Oh my God. Can you believe those are like their like nails? That's like the comparison to like their nails or their teeth. I don't know. I mean, they have teeth. Look at the donkey. Come here.
Donkey!
Donkey, why are you twitchy? Oh, he's so sneezy.
I gotta start feeding them, huh?
They're hungry.
It's the...
That's where they sleep at night. It's like the only shade they get. These animals, look at these gators, come here. Like that one eating.
It's eating its food.
Why does that look like poo-poo? Is it eating poo-poo? You got it? Okay. Here we have a production of trying to feed baby children to wild alligators. Yes, right there. We like to produce the best type of protein for alligators. Look at this baby ostrich. We also feed babies to these baby ostrich. This is so cute. Do you think they came out in eggs or do you think they came out in birth?
Oh, they come out in big old eggs. You can eat those bird eggs. I think they come
Oh,
in blue.
Kevin, record. Record, Kevin. Oh my God, these things are huge. I can't believe people actually ride them. Look, let's go to those, what are those, cocoa bears? All right, guys, back to the wild ostrich. Guys, I only feel brave because of this cage. If there was no cage, I would not be approaching this wild animal. I suggest you do the same. No cage, no approach. Hi there, cuties. Welcome to my world. Welcome to Earth. I'm an earthling, as they call us. I'll see you guys later in the break room. All right. Look at the feet. Look at the claws. Damn, those are big claws. Imagine that shit clawing you. No, imagine that clawing you guys. Look at the feathers. Look how thick each thread of the feather is. Oh my God, these are really big birds. These are dinosaurs. People see this and don't believe in dinosaurs. Are you shitting me? You guys can see these animals and not believe in dinosaurs? Be real. I don't know who doesn't believe in dinosaurs, but if you're a non-dinosaur believer, you're dumb. Hi, little baby boy. Do you want some water? Do you want some water? Aww. Aww. Are you recording, Kev? Oh, guys. How are you doing today, Mr. Camel Man? How are you feeling today, Mr. Camel Man? Feeling good? Want some more water? You want some more water? Oh, you're so cute, baby. Oh, you got a lot to do today? I bet you do. Well, I'm gonna leave you to it, cutie. Woo! Okay, you want some more water. He says he wants some more water. Guys, one day I'm gonna own my farm, and one day I'm gonna feed my animals around the clock with automatic feeders because it's gonna be too hot outside, but I'm still gonna feed them. Wonder what type of animal is that? What is that? A ram? A bull? An ox? Oxer. Oxer. All right, let's go over here. Oh my God, I have a oh yeah, there's horse? Where's the horse? Look at the ponies. There are ponies. Look at the ponies. Oh, you guys, look at the baby ponies. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Oh, look at the snods. Oh my God. Hi, donkey. Shrek's not here with me. I didn't bring him, but how are ya? How are the baby donks? Cookie. Cookie. Guys, these ponies are so freaking cute. Holy shoot. Boo! 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 snot in my fucking hands. That's snot in my hands. Give me the napkins.
Ooh.
Ew.
It was you.
That's snot in my mic for the rest of my life. Ew. What you got to say about yourself? Ew! Don't snot at me again. It snotted on me again. My fucking legs. At least the snot doesn't smell like anything. Smell?
Smells great.
Oh yeah, look at those nails. Ooh! Nice little snap. Oh, you don't like me touching you. Alright guys. There's no story about me getting bit by a snapping turtle, but I think today might be the day that I get bit by a snapping turtle. What do you got to say? Do a little snap for us. Give me a snap. Give me a little snap. Give me a little snap. Snap for me, baby. But they look like skeletons. Snap for me, baby. Let me get the camera. Snap your beak. Do you hear that breathing? That breathing is dangerous. That breathing is dangerous. It licked my
Got it. It's all love.
Oh, you're so cute, baby girl. Oh my god.
How was that?
I got snotted by one and licked by one. I don't know how to live right now. So cute. I don't want to pet your mouth though because that's like where you bite from. So cute. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, I'm scared. Kev, you want to pet?
I'll pet him.
Yeah, go. Oh, you're a big boy, Kev. No, don't pet his back of his body. Like right there, like behind his ear.
No, I wouldn't want to do that. You see, I was scaring him off.
Aw, here, pet the baby one. Here, pet the baby. Aw, Kev, but do it slowly.
You're a big
Yeah, you're so aggressive.
I think cows just
Don't like you?
don't like me. 'Cause
Oh, that one's stamped.
tatted.
Oh. Animals are treated. Oh, it's peeing. Nice. Nice. What if it starts pooping? Oh, we didn't feed the little one. Alright. Oh, record it. Record it, come here. Record his tongue. Oh my god. Oh goodness, you're so cute, baby. You're so cute. Alright guys, I think I'm ready to head home.
Big storm coming in.
There's a big storm coming in, so tornadoes on the way over here. Let's just see if we can see the camels from this angle. Since these guys already dipped out, let me see if I can capture them. Wait, like don't move. Wait, don't move. Oh my god, wait, are there any on me? I think I saw a few already.
Oh, yeah.
Take me. Guys, there's eggs everywhere. I want to touch the egg. Is it soft?
Grab it.
Are they soft?
Get in there. I'm gonna attack you.
You think she's gonna attack me? There's a little baby chicken here. Aww. You really think she incubated them? Or you think these are gonna die?
They're probably the orange bird, dude.
They're not? Let's see it to the sun. I'm not sure we can see anything. Put a flashlight on here. Put a flashlight on it. Anything?
Nah, you can't see nothing outside.
Yeah, we can. Look, we can see the veins. Smell it. It smells bad. Oh, yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
look right there.
Oh, yeah, look. Are you recording? Okay, hold on.
Like you're moving with me.
Move it back. There you go. Go record. I can't do it. It's just like right there. Whatever. Record the birdie. Guys, look at my sweats. I'll bring it over here. This one's gonna eat out of my hand. Bro, how badly abused are they? Look, look, look. Wow. Yeah, one job. I'm about to collect my seeds back up. Look at the curly pigeon. Get the curly pigeon. Look, look. Look at that one. Get them both, get them both. See lady, chicken lady, see chicken, lady, chicken. Look at the pigeon, guys. Let's go to this curly pigeon. He's injured. Why are these birdies injured? Whoa, okay, Mr. Phonographer. Okay, Mr. Phonographer. We could low-key pick them up.
Wanna try one?
Trying to pick one up. Here, hold this. All right, hold this. And you go double hand up.
Area.
I feel like they sense it on their asses. All right, look. That's so cute. Hey guys, it's really hot. Like it's dangerously hot today. What are they incubating over here? No way, guys.
Turtle.
No way, guys. Look at the baby peacocks. Wait, why do they have peacocks in there? Like that, that's so... And they have baby chicks in that fridge right there. Look, they have turtles and fish. What type of fishies are those, Kev?
Those are koi fish right there.
Really?
Oh yeah.
They're just sickle kois? Look at the turtles. Wait, can we feed turtles with this?
Yeah, of course.
Animal feed, birds, camel, alligators. I don't think so.
We used to put corns and catch koi fish back in the day.
Oh yeah?
Now you put a couple pieces of corn, and the koi would go crazy for that.
wanna feed some? Get them koi fishes over here.
Look at this guy pulling up on us.
What's up with this guy? What's up with him? Is he messed up? He's messed up, Kev.
Somebody's have garden with some type of fire, huh?
Oh my god, he's messed up. Alright, that's it, that's it, that's it. Back up, back up. Right here we have the wild ostrich. Yeah. Aw, I touched it. They can't fly. I haven't seen them fly. Oh, maybe they can. We got 2 chickens humping. Oh.
Whoa.
What are you, dude? For this, Kev, look. How much did you do for this? You can smell its breath. Here, get close to it. Smell its breath. It smells like earwax. Oh, it's getting aggressive, boy. Hello. 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 Hi, how are you? I'm scared. You wanna get close to it?
Nah.
There's like a pigeon right down here. But yeah, you guys.
Say cheese.
Look at her sizing us up.
Wait, what?
Look, Kev.
Pinky.
You think I could touch it?
Oh, you're a bad one.
Should I touch the beak?
Nah, I think the feet are a little more comfortable.
She wants to get fed?
You gonna feed it? Feed it.
Hello. Hey, you got one. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
It has so many under its tongue. You wanna try? Look how it eats it. Here, Cass, you can feed it. Get in the frame. No. Wait, don't pour too much. Be careful. No, not don't pour, like, wait for it to, like, eat it. Yeah, wait for it to, like, open the bag and eat it. There you go.
Good call.
Not too much, not too much. Not too many, not too many. Get those, pick those up. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, pick them up.
You wanna feed this one? First time feeding a peacock. Hold this. Oh, it doesn't like me. It feeds birds, camels, and alligators. We can feed this to the gators. Alright, he didn't want it. Let's go somewhere else. Here, put up your palm.
You think they'll eat from my palm?
Yeah. Alright. Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up. Keep it still, keep it still. Yeah. The goal is to feed it. Oh, they have furry pants. They have little furry pants. They have baby ostriches. They have baby ostriches. Give me seeds, give me seeds. Wait, let's split seeds, you and I.
No, just hold it.
Oh my God, hold up.
Baby freaking ostrich.
Baby, do you miss your mommy?
Your mom's just outside.
You miss your mommy? Wait, there's poop there. There's poop there. Oh, I just threw away a bunch of seeds. Oh, it has a hurtful, Kev. Who hurt it? No.
Oh, what?
No.
How was your first farm experience so far? You think you can handle all these animals in your house?
I think I can handle the animals. I won't be able to handle the heat.
That's the best part of being out there in the sun. The good old heat.
May I borrow the napkins? I'll give them back to you. How black are my feet?
Not that bad. All day, even though now it's kind of gloomy out here.
Makes it more humid.
Nah, I think it's better now. Oh. I could go do a backflip.
Wait, one more time.
But what about that?
Bro, what are you doing, kid? Bro, what the fuck? Go! Another flip right there. Another flip right there. Are you exhausted? Let me see if I can get another jump in there. I'm gonna regret this, but...
No hands.
We got more turtles here. Wait, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. No, you put your hand under. Alright. Hold up, we're not prepared. Okay, good job, good job. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Give me some. Let me get some. Half. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Wait, don't give too many out. You're not greedy with your food at all. You're not greedy with your food at all. Record me? Yeah, please. Yeah. You're out here swinging that purse around. Out here swinging that purse around, bro.
Watch me swing.
Okay. Don't those eat koi fish?
No, these are just freckles.
Yeah, aren't they bad? Ooh, what do we have here? Oh my god! Oh, that is the same one you had in your house.
Yeah.
He passed?
No, I gave it to Rick.
He's
Dr. Pepper.
You don't want to shake?
Oh, a shake.
Thank you.
That'll be it.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. It's gonna be 27.56 next one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you excited for your freaking burgers?
I can't fucking wait to get these freaking burgers.
Oh yeah? So it's... What are you doing there?
Prepare myself for muscle memory.
We have Bruce in the background.
What's up, Bruce?
Yeah.
This finger.
Oh, Jacob would love to hear that.
I'm feeding Bruce.
Oh, you're feeding Bruce? Don't do that to my fucking Bruce. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Him. It's too late. Please someone.
Well, alright you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, everyone. It's been an amazing time today here. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And you know you guys get me out of the house every freaking day. You guys get me here in nature, one with mother. Hello. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one, killers.